Welcome to Haven Learning, where knowledge is the key.
Hello and welcome to my channel. Today's video is all about the GED, what it is, how it can help you finish high school, what it entails, and so on. So if you want to know more, keep watching. What is the GED and how can it help me? GED is an acronym for General Education Development. Completing the GED will provide you with a high school equivalency certificate. It consists of writing 4 exams. English, RLA, Mathematics, Science, and Social Studies tests are written individually, and once you have passed all 4 exams, you will receive your certificate. The GED is suitable for anyone who wishes to finish high school, such as students who are struggling with the traditional schooling system and are searching for an alternative, homeschooled students or distance learners, adults who did not complete high school. Completing your GED will enable you to further your education, get a job, and improve your self-esteem and confidence. The GED is available in over 100 countries. Check on the GED website if your country or region is listed. Depending on your location, exams are written online or at an examination center. This information can also be found on the GED website. So, how do you prepare for the exams? There are several options available. You can join a GED class or study group in your area. There are many books and printed resources that you can use, or you can sign up for online classes through a tutor or online school. The official GED website also contains a lot of helpful content. You will find helpful links and website addresses in the description box below this video to help you register for the GED and find what you need to prepare for your exams. I also have other videos on this channel that will benefit you. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thank you for watching.